Ah! What's the word for stop again? Kneel, reel, eel.
Wow, that squirrel's running really fast.
Eel bites! Ah!
Because Bites and Liam are chasing it. Wait, Bites and Liam?
I can't remember the word for stop! Kneel! Squeal! Oopsies. Sorry, Botasaur. I'm not allowed to let you out. Aww. I guess I could let you out for a second, but come right back. Botasaur! Come back! Get you over here and here and... What did they say about the modifier chip? Was it extra good? Yeah, that was it.
Oh no! Liam lost the chip! Liam, meet your new pet.
A robo-turtle! I do know commands now, and how to play fetch, and wash my pet, so I'm ready for Flash. That's what I'm naming him. Flash, run! He's so fast! Good boy, heel!
Great pet skills, Liam.
Thanks for teaching me. Okay, Flash, now squeal!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.